Hey everybody, good morning. I am super excited to announce that we are releasing our MCP for Rize for beta access. So now you can actually connect Rize with tools like Claude, ChatGPT, any of these LLM providers, and you can actually chat with your data. So the use cases here are really, really cool. I mean, you can do some really in-depth analysis on how you're spending your time, how you can be more productive, how profitable clients are. And so this is just V1. We have a lot of cool features that we're going to be releasing here soon as well. So in this video though, I just wanted to walk through how to connect Rize with Claude Code through the Claude desktop app. And then we'll also have videos on YouTube where you can set up, how to connect Rize to ChatGPT. It's really, really easy. So let's first go to settings, connectors. You'll see the connectors here. If you scroll to the bottom, you can add a custom connector. So it's going to be Rize, and then you enter the MCP resource URL. For Rize, that's mcp.rize.io/MCP. All you have to do here is click add, and you'll see that it's added there, right? But it's not connected yet. So when I click connect, it's going to redirect me to Rize. I want to make sure this is app.rize.io, and I can authorize Claude either through Google like Gmail OAuth, or through Link email. I'm going to do Google just because it's easier right now. Continue. Okay, now it's going to confirm. So Claude AI wants to connect to Rize. I'm going to hit approve, and then it should redirect me back to the Claude app. And if I look here, Rize is connected, which is cool. And you can see all of the different tools listed that we have. These are just some of the things you can do now, but we'll be adding more, and we'd love to hear your feedback. Once it's there, and then I can say, hi, can you show me my time entries in Rize today? And it should be connected now. It's going to be able to pull those time entries. You can also do all sorts of cool things, all sorts of really cool analysis. And so please let us know what we're missing from the API or from the MCP. We'll add it because we're iterating on this really quickly, but we're excited about all the opportunity that this is going to open up for us. All right. Thanks so much for using Rize. Talk soon.